January the 23rd, 2011, 9 of us, known as the Peter Holmes Group, left Melbourne for Tanzania, one of the largest countries in Africa. Our main objective was to climb to the top of Mount Kilmanjaro and then to visit the Serengeti National Park and the Ngorongoro Conservation Area. We had all upped our regular aerobic and strength fitness activities to include several decent hikes and hill walks. Our boots were well worn in, and we put together our hiking gear, which included layers and layers to deal with the 4 cold days with an anticipated minus 19 degrees on summit day. Sleeping bags, mats, day patra. We needed a current passport and a Tanzanian visa. Certain health precautions, yellow fever vaccination, malaria tablets, and Diamox to help combat altitude sickness. I think we all read so much about the climb. I read climbers' reviews, lots on the internet, and also a couple of books. So we all knew pretty much what to expect. Altitude, specifically acute altitude sickness, was the unknown quantity, and we had lots of warnings about this, justifiably too, since we were going to be in the extreme altitude zone, as anything over 5,400 metres is regarded as extreme altitude, and Kilimanjaro's peak sits at 5,895 metres, almost 19,500 feet. Then we had to have our gear for the hot, dusty safari trip as well. So we are on our way. After a long trip, we were met by our ground operators, really wild travel, at the Protea Lodge at Ashai. We had a briefing before our climb and also an acclimatisation walk in the foothills of Mount Kilmanjaro. Homes are built as the owner has the income, and they can take up to 10 years to finish. So this is the first day of our hike. We're transferred to the Mashame Gate, which is a steady walk from the gate at 1,800 metres above sea level to the Mashame hut. We arrived in the camp and enjoyed great views of Kibo Peak, and we had a candlelit dinner with tables and tablecloths and looking after us. So we are very fortunate indeed. They carry our